What's going on, everybody? We're setting up a 60 centimeter aquarium. This is the first private install. Very excited to get this going. Let me show you what we're working with today. Transported the 60 centimeter aquarium with some of the hardscape in here. I know that's a little dangerous, but we did it. We're doing a Phoenix light, very simple low light, and then we have all the plants in here. So let's get a quick time lapse of it. So while Hernan is getting the moss all tied up, I'm going to start planting. We have a variety of ferns. We have some faster growing plants like this Hydro Japan. We have bulbituses and things of that sort. We're going to get the planting started. Of course, I've already mentioned, is like a low maintenance, low light tank. So we have the Java fern sticking between the wood. We have Anubiases that I'm currently still planting. We have Java fern, Windalove, more Java ferns. We have moss that Hernan tied onto the pieces of wood here, and Anubias and Anna Petite that are going to be going behind the rocks. So as I mentioned earlier, it's an easy, low maintenance type scapes. We have low-tech plants such as Windalove, we have Java ferns, we have Anubiases, we have some Hydro Japan, we have water lilies, we have some more crypts, some microsorts, all shoved in here. This is Pacific wood from Boost Plant, and we have Icelandic lava stone as well down here. ADA La Plata sand was used for cosmetic reasons. The Phoenix Stingray is a very nice low light type of light that we use. The only little mishap that we ran into is this rock is weighing down the wood because it wasn't waterlogged enough, so it's rising. So within like a week and a half, it should waterlog enough to be able to remove. Another thing that we ran into was the Amazon was not able to deliver the lily pipe, so we have a spin pipe. Pretty much we're gonna have the lily violet in this corner shooting water out. And that's pretty much about it. We'll tune in within about a month and get an update on this tank.
genuine color, genuine color, genuine color, genuine color, genuine color.